Bane, Trills, Bane the Bill. What the finery coming? Oh my god, that's just a meal. What a hell, seagulls. Baby sea urchins, seagulls. There you are.
Kaya kumain ng isa. Oh, subo mo na to. Gusto mo daddy mo? Bibili ka mo daddy mo.
Now I get to meet Panda Boosh. Moose getting closer. Sneaky out of here. Not catching it. Pooh, Spain the Boosh. So, in Training Crazy, I was. It's like this moose wants to sing. El Torado!
Hindi ka pa lobat?
Deep.
May dikit mo masyado sa ice cream.
Meron akong barel.
Alin?
Rifle.
Alam mo si Papa.
Apo. Nag-record ako ng game, Papa eh. Well, very sadly, it was not going to Okay. Blah, blah. I'm going to play the Bills. Okay, now I'm sticking through the gases. Okay, it's just one tiny object. Okay, here's the number one. Roaring to hunt. Okay, number one. Sneak into very slowly leads. Example. Do not pay attention to your teachers while you're learning. These guys, I mean these guys are pretty better. Number one, sneak closely. Sneak through the grasses by Thank you. Hunt him to death. Wait until the casualties begin. Provide your home with guns and other things. That's how it works.
Tago mo si Papi.
Oh, come
Kasi
on.
tinanggal-tanggal mo doon sa lagayan niya eh. Nasa yung lagayan niyan?
Sea urchins. Don't leave your house open. Leave closed. Oh, the internet is closed. 5 a.m. internet shut. Ah. 5 a.m. internet shop at 5 a.m. So 5 a.m. My name's Sam, and I'm here working with this old method. I gotta shoot it. I think my shooting my.
Bayad ka na daw sa extend ng wifi.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay. And night now. I got Ano
Wala
man?
si Andre, may pasok si Andre.
Alam ko. Okay. Hashtag night hunting.
Akala mo, bukas lang yung pintuan, walang tao.
Okay guys.
Kahit yung bag, ilagay mo na sa gilid eh. Para makaya maupo dyan eh. Ang sakit na yung upuan eh.
Night is the most great and the most not great things. A long time ago, when you're not born, I was a little kid. And I saw the black preach. Freaking
Matawag sa
bad.
akin, Chin.
And as you know, these things will hunt. So pay attention to what I say. Itakang.
Nag-aalit ako eh.
Oh, goodbye.